Brand new series of Front-End Mentor. A warm welcome to all of you. Today we will be doing again the Front-End Mentor Challenge, as I have already taken up the project order summary component, which we will be doing in some couple of seconds. So please join fast so that we will actually close this project on time and finish it out, because we will be going hard and hard from today till Friday. So please be attentive, please make yourself comfortable. In case you can do the project live with me, this is also welcome. You can do it, and we will be providing completion certificate if any of the candidate do any of the three projects and share us the GitHub link so that we can check it out, and will after that we will issue a participation certificate. So I request you all to please join fast, please be attentive, and after 1 or 2 minutes we will be starting with the front end mentor challenge projects. I've already picked up today this project, and tomorrow I will see which one to complete. We will not be repeating the projects which we have completed last time, or in any of the series, or in any of the project. Every project is a unique project, and every project is a new project which we have actually finalized it and prepared for you all people. So please join fast. So we will be starting in some couple of seconds. You make sure, please be attentive, and rest is all fine. Advanced JavaScript series is also being running on 7 p.m. This will be from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And also we will be doing live this Frontend Mentor series project every day for the next 4 days, starting from Monday to Friday, and Monday to Friday 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. 9:45, depends upon the project completion of the project. So I request you all, as soon as we will finish the project, we will end up the session for the day, and I request you all to please make yourself comfortable, be attentive, and anyone who do any of the three projects and share as the GitHub link will be eligible for the completion certificate. This time we will be doing only with the completion certificate, not with the participation certificate. No, I can say no attendance form, no attendance sheet, nothing. Please complete the project, share the GitHub link, we will do it. And also I will be sharing the WhatsApp group link to join in any case if anyone wants to join. 1 second. So in case if any of one you are not be available here, or you are not in our any of the WhatsApp group, so we have shared the link in which you can join for the further updates, so that you will be get updated as what we are planning, or what is the next project we will be starting. So shall we start now? So welcome all, please join fast. We have already 5 minutes completed, so let's start now. And I request you all to please be attentive. We will be starting with the Frontend Winter series project. The name of the project is order summary component. This is the one second, let me do the full screen. So this is the desktop view, this is the mobile view, and I can say both the views are almost similar, nothing special in it. Fine, perfect. So let me download the scatter files. Okay, agree. Download scatter files. Perfect. Hmm. One second. Let me link it. Okay, perfect. Very nice. So, where is the design? Let me see. So I can say, yeah. Good evening, Bhavesh. Hope you are doing well. And I can say it's a container with header, paragraph tag. We can take some left, some right, a button, and again a second button below this. So nothing more to do in this. And one second. Yes, perfectly fine. I can say we can finish it in 45 to 50 minutes. So what's in the style guide? Let me see. Fundamental style guide, layout, perfect, mobile, okay. Two types of colors are there. Again, three type of colors are there. Fine, perfect. And font size 15 page standard font. Font family, they have given red hat display font to use with three type of font weights. So perfectly fine. Hmm. So where is index.html? Okay, let me increase the font size so that you will be able to view it very clearly. So I will not be able to see the chats now because I will be focusing on the project. We'll see you later on. We'll see the chats later on. One second. So this is so before doing anything, let me create our basic file style.css. And where to link. So sometimes it happens that we do all the things and didn't link it and then struggling. What happened? So let me open with live server. So they have given nothing actually. We have to complete it from the scratch and perfectly fine. Nothing more to do in it. I can see. So let's close it out and let me open what happened. Okay. Okay, fine, perfect. So one second. Give class attribute. This is not required. Commenting out. Control S. Mm, So let's analyze first. Let's prepare a parent container. Inside this will have h1 tag, paragraph tag, and some right, some left, some images needs to be inserted. Two buttons has to be added here. So fine, perfect. So let's start this with scratch. Then we will see what to add. Images tag they have given. Okay, that's the same tag what we were talking for the left and right. So going back to index of HTML. Let me see the chat. Okay, fine. second. So a parent container is there. Inside this, prepared a class with the name of hero, and let's do one thing. Let me add the image. Expression hero, perfect, fine. And all we use hero. So saved it. Okay, so half of the pages be there. So now one second, again creating another div for the this content. Inside that content we will see, we will take h1 paragraph tag, fine, perfect. So this div or this div, perfect. So dot content text will have all the content, and let's have h2. Inside this h2 we will take this order summary using alt and up arrow. Will move. So here's the order summary, and one second. And after that we will have a paragraph tag, and inside this paragraph tag, lemons, one second, we need a class for paragraph tag, which we will take as title, and inside this paragraph tag we will move this entire content using alt and up arrow. Save it. So looking nice. One second. Okay, fine. So we'll do one thing. Let's create a class also here. Title. In order, because h2 is something different and the paragraph tag is different, so we need to uh, identify both things separately. So let's have another div, and that this div will create a box. Plain box we will create. Okay, and inside this plain box, one second, let me have a view again. In this plain box we have some items in the left and some a box in the right, so we will create classes first, left, right. So we'll have another class, plain box left. Okay, and inside this we will have the image src tag, and we will import the image as image is here, on music. So yes, this image we have to show in the left. So we have created a class named as left. Perfect. So 1 second. Let's have another header tag. Let me take h5, and in this h5 we will move this annual plan. Okay, annual plan. Let me see once again. Annual plan. Okay, annual plan, and below annual plan we have the rates. Okay, fine. So in this h5 we have the annual plan, and we'll have the paragraph tag, and in this paragraph tag let me move this dollar item. Saved it. Okay, fine. This is annual and dollar. Perfect. But something needs to be do this for dollar also. Pratik, hi Pratik. Good evening. Hi Sandeep, boss. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. So we'll do one thing. 1 second. Let me move this paragraph tag to this div first. Okay, so we have the parent container here. Let me cross check once again. And after this, we will have another div with the name as hero. So after this div, we will have okay, fine. Plain box will be closing now. 1 second, 1 second. Let me create the skeleton proper, because it's looking very simple, but skeleton is taking so much time in order to identify or fix the things properly. So this div we have the h5 and paragraph tag. Fine. This div is for the plain box. Plain box text. Plain box left. Where is the plain box left div? 1 second. We need to move this. Okay, now saving it. So this is the main div. After this, plain box, plain, no, plain dot box dot left. Okay, plain dot box dot left. Perfect. So here will be closing this plain box paint container. We'll have anchor tag here, and we will give this hash. And where's the change? Control X. We will shift to here. Okay. Now once again, change is here. So we will using this flex. We will move it. This fine, perfect. So after this anchor tag, we'll have a div of plain box. So fine, perfect. So after this, we'll have again two anchor tags. So the hash is there, and let me have a class proceed button, and we will use this control X, and we will paste it here. And another one, the same. Cancel order. One second, one second. Cancel button, perfect. And here, control Z. So okay, proceed to payment, cancel order. ठीक है, perfect. Okay. Descriptive of which one? Content, text content. So I can say we are done with the index.html, and anything else we would like to add. No, not required. So before doing further proceeding to style.css, so image has been inserted, perfect. Order summary, paragraph tag, this icon, annual plan, dollar, change. Change is there, perfect. Two buttons, proceed and cancel order. Fine, perfect. So let me have one second, one second. They have given us a font. Where's the font? Style guide. Okay. So before doing anything, let me download this 500, 700, 900. 500. One second. 700. 900. So I know, I can say by now you all know how to import Google Fonts. So we have imported the Google Fonts here. Now closing back. Fine. So now, 1 second. Have the margin as 0 and padding as 0 and the same box sizing as border box. Perfect. Perfect. Fine. So now we'll target the body now, and we'll have the font family. Second, let me copy the name first. Style guide, style guide. Sans serif. So they picked up the fonts. Now, 1 second, I need to open the preview also. But okay, fine. So going back to style.css, font family, we have inserted the fonts. Perfect. Now we'll have the min height of right vertical height, and we will be using the background image URL images, and which one we need to pick as the desktop background. Perfect. So the images background has been added. Now we'll have the background repeat as no repeat. Perfect. And the background size, we require cover, and background color, they have already told background color which one to use. Let me see in style guide. Pale blue, something related to pale blue, we have to use it. And here, okay, I got it. Fine. So now let me have the position as relative, and font size will have 15 px. See, let me do one thing. Let me change to 20. It is getting more big. 16. 16 is fine. So now, quickly picking up the first class, then second. Always copy the class names. Don't, even though you know the name of the class, but I prefer always copy the class names, because I have spent many of the hours using in this error. So we'll have the position as absolute and have from left 50%, right again we'll have 50%, and we will have the transform of translate x-axis, so minus 50%, and comma again minus 50%. Perfect. So maximum, no, maximum width will have 450 px, and the background they have asked for white, border radius. Again they have asked for 20 px to curve the bend, and overflow they want hidden. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. It will come. Don't worry. So now position upload less 50, right? 50 test channel minus 50. Okay. Max width 450 pixels. Background white. Border 20 pixels. Overflow hidden. Fine, perfect. Dot content text will have the padding as 7%, and have the text align center. Let's target the title, the class title, and here again they have taken a different color for this, which is this one, dark blue. And here we'll have the font weight as 400, font size 32 px, margin bottom 20 px. Once again, font weight is 400. Let me change it to 900. Dot content text space. One second. Let me use this style. Have the color as hash 8A. Okay. Margin bottom again it is required here. 5x. Perfect. So let me have a view once again. plain box dot plain box will have the background color of which one HSL. It is HSL, but let me pick from here, which is the 98% one. Border radius. We'll have the border radius again. Have 12 px. Display flex. One second, one second, one second. Display flex, and the padding will have 25 px. Align item will again go for center, and here justify content we want space between. Array shortcuts are working perfectly fine. Sometimes it will not work, but Array Dinesh, thanks, sir. Thanks a lot. What is saying, share, sir? You can share a screenshot of this project on your WhatsApp group so I will create a neighbor. Sir, can you create sir? You can share a screenshot of this project on your WhatsApp group. Okay, fine. We will do. So after this, dot plain. No. We'll have this left. We'll target the left one. Second. Plain dot box dot left. One second, let me target this after display as flex, and here the align item will have to be center, and text align, sorry, text align has to be left, not last. Text align, will use it as left. Perfect. So again we will target dot plain dot box left div here. From left side we'll have the margin left 20 px. Div h5, the header 5 will have the font weight as 900, and we'll have the font size of 15p. One second, wrong bracket selected. uh, 15px, and have the color what they have asked. Okay, nice. So and this is for this one. perfect. So again, dot plain dot box dot left. The font size of 14p. One second. X, and have the color. So hash 8888. So again we will target one second. Let me adjust the codes first. Okay, fine. So dot plain dot box dot left. This will not work like that. So dot plain dot box, target the anchor tag using the hover property, and we'll have the text decoration as none, and have the color, and this 52% color is there. So now which class is left? This button, proceed button. Using this a space dot proceed button, display we will be using the block, and same text decoration will be none. Color is white, and background color they have asked to use this one. Padding of 20 px and 0, and we'll have the border radius of 12 px. Margin again will have px and 0. We'll go with the transition for background. Background color 0.3 second, 0.3 millisecond piece. Okay. Okay, so again we'll target plain box anchor tag using the hover sorry. Oh, our property. One second. Proceed button we have completed. No proceed button. Where is proceed button? Proceed button. Okay. We'll have hover, and here we will use a anchor tag. Perfect. Dot proceed button. Use the background color. One second. We'll use the background color of HSL. Second. One second. 23%. 55%. And semicolon. Fine. Okay. So now let me add this cancel button. Color will have HSL of 55%. Will have the text decoration none, and font weight will have 900. Will have the transition of color with zero point 0.3 second of ease effect. The transition for color. Fine, perfect. So again we have to use dot cancel button. One second. A space cancel button. We'll use the hover property for the color, which is HSL. One second. HSL of 23%. Fine. So now 1 second. Some error is there. Let me recheck the code. Margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. Perfect. We'll have the box. We'll again have the body as font family here. Minimum height 100 vertical height. Perfect. And background repeat is no repeat. Background size is cover, and have the background color is for 94%. Okay, position is relative for 16 px. Fine, perfect. So the container position is absolute left 50%, right 50%, transform for translate minus 50%. Okay, max width will have 450 px, background will have white, border radius 20 px, and overflow is hidden. Perfect. So now moving on to the next part. We'll have the padding texture as a center. Okay, then title. Title will have the color, font fit as 900, font size 32 px, margin bottom is 20 px. Okay. So again, dot text content space peak dot subtitle. Okay, color this, margin bottom 25 px. Okay. Again, we'll have the plain box. We'll have the background colors. This border radius 12 px. Display flex padding is 25 per x. Align item is center just so content is space between. Fine. So we'll have a last one. Sorry, not last one. Plain text dot left. No, dot plain box display flex. Align item is center. Text align is also left. So now targeting the div, we'll have the margin left of 20 px. And for div and h5, we'll have the font weight of 900, font size of 15 px, and color is this. So color is this, color is this. Okay. So now div and p will have the font size of 14 px and hash 888. Perfect. So again, dot plain box dot a. Dot a will have the hover property. Will have text decoration as none. Color is this. Okay. Then we have the A proceed button. Display is block. Text decoration is none. And have the color as white. Background color is this. Padding is 20 px 0. 20 px 0. Border radius 12 px. And margin 30 px 0. Tracks transition we want. 1 second. The extra space is there. The background color with an ease of 0.3 second. Okay. Dot proceed. Will have the anchor tag. Dot proceed button hover. Okay. So background color is 55%. Okay. 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 Mm, Again, we'll have anchor tag and cancel button. Color is this. Text decoration none. One second. 1 second. So let me start with the media query then. Direct media only screen and max width have 425 px. We'll have the body, the background image, the URL form, mobile. So this will have dot container. Will have the max width of 87%. Dot title will have the font size 3px. and div Scott plain box will have padding of 12 px, dot plain box dot left, div we will be having the margin left as 10 px, we'll have anchor dot and dot proceed caution we will be using, and sorry, anchor dot cancel button again. We'll take the last one also, dot plain box is a have the font size of 13 px, dot content text will have the padding of 9% and 7%. But it is not perfectly working. 1 second. Let me check the diffs first. Some error might be there in the diffs. 1 second. So we have a div called class container. This is the main div which ends in the last. 1 second. Okay, inside this div we will have a class. Inside this div we will again a class, okay, where it ends. Okay, and we will have only the image tag. Okay, after this we will have a div which ends after the order. 1 second. Okay, perfectly fine. And we have h2 class title and order summary. Perfect, fine. And after this we will have a p paragraph tag will have a div. Okay, so again after this we have a plain text, sorry, plain box, which ends about change. So things are doing right, but it is not coming here. Mm, 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 mm. 1 second. Let me see once again. Where is the gap? So guys, let me check it out by my own. Then I will get back to you tomorrow. Before starting a new project, I will check and get back to you. So we are closing the day with this project, but it is not complete. It is not showing perfectly fine. Half it is work. Half it is 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Let me start disabling the codes. But till here it is perfectly fine. So control site. 1 second. 1 second. So something is wrong with this container. Okay, 1 second. Where is this container? Mhm, 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 mhm. So give me some time. Let me check and we'll get back to you all here. Sorry for the inconvenience, but I will definitely get back. We'll close this first and then we will start with the new project tomorrow. So thanks for the